Alright, so I packed my Starlink Mini, my power adapter, power switch, and power cable all inside of this case, and everything fits perfectly. I also attached the shoulder strap so I could carry it around more easily, and it makes the whole setup super convenient when moving it around with my off-grid system. Now, I was sent this carrying case for the Starlink Mini by Pakloria, and it is designed to specifically protect the Starlink dish and all of its accessories. Everything has its own space because the inside is molded with precise 3D cut slots so the Starlink Mini sits securely without shifting around. The lid even has a padded cushion layer to keep the top of the dish from getting scratched while you travel. The case also comes with a dust bag that you can use when you are in dusty or rough environments. The case has deeper compartments for storing your cables, adapters, switches, and anything else you need for your setup. The water resistant exterior makes it easy to wipe clean, and it is super lightweight so it never feels bulky. Near the bottom, the case is built with shockproof EVA material, which helps protect your Starlink Mini from bumps or impacts while you are on the go. And with the detachable shoulder strap, you can carry it by hand or crossbody or over the shoulder, which makes traveling with the dish much easier. If you want a simple, reliable way to protect and carry your Starlink Mini setup, this is the right one for you.